behind me is Artemis, our one-of-a-kind van build conversion that's gonna take you to some awesome places. We've spent over 8 months building this with a ton of different partners, and I'm really excited to show you the ins and outs and all the details that we put into this awesome Sprinter van that you could win at Forge 4x4. All right, so let's talk about the actual platform. This Mercedes Sprinter van is a 2016 diesel 4x4 2500 with a 144 wheelbase, and that is a perfect setup for off-roading because it's not too big and it could get you some really awesome places. That diesel engine is going to give you great fuel efficiency and a ton of torque, even with those 33-inch tires. The twin turbo just absolutely rips no matter where you want to take it. Let's just start with the interior. For starters, you have a fridge system right here. 75-liter by Dometic, has dual compartments. We went with a white finish with a contrasting dark top, this mosaic tile here. And then the countertops are absolutely gorgeous with the white cabinets. A little Forge 4x4 logo action, just so you know where you want it. All right, so we have a dual burner system here running off of propane underneath. We have a functional sink, turn your water pump on. We have a 3,000 watt inverter that is going to power all of your sockets. The lights go on and off with a flip of a switch. There's 200 watts of solar on top. So even if you are out in the middle of nowhere, been running your swamp cooler and everything, and your battery starts draining, there's 5 batteries in total in this van. So just let that run for a couple hours and you're never gonna need a jump. We have a Camp Lux outdoor shower that is powered with propane, and it is pretty awesome. So your rack is complete with 200 watts of solar. You have your fan right here and your swamp cooler. You could sit up here, you could put a chair up here, but you're most likely gonna be storing extra gear, and there's plenty of room for that. And so what really separates Artemis from other Sprinter vans is this suspension system. Fabtech developed a one-of-one coilover suspension with Reservoir Dirt Logic shocks for this Sprinter van, plus another 2.5 inches of lift, and 33-inch tires give a ton of travel on this rig. Check out this awesome off-road bumper by CA Tuned. They do some amazing fabrication. We have 2 rigid 360 lights. We have a 50-inch rigid light bar that's a Radiance Plus that has an amber backlit as well. We installed a Warn 12S rope that pulls up to 12,000 pounds of pulling capacity with the synthetic rope. There you have it. Artemis, our one-of-a-kind Sprinter van conversion, could be yours, but only if you go to Forge 4x4 and get entered to win. This ridiculous rig also comes with $20,000 in cash, and I want to know, where's the first place that you're going to take it if you win Artemis plus the cash?